Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha Allove and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be giving myself a mommy makeover. I just wanted a fresh new look because I'm a mom now and I achieved this beautiful color. I'm going to show y'all everything that I did in this video, so make sure you continue watching. If you are new to my channel, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? This hair is from Allove hair and I love it. Like, this is a 4x4 wig that came already made and it is so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, even after I bleached it, the hair is still A1. I'm gonna stop rambling, so let's go ahead and get into the video. y'all, let's get into this color job. Like, did I do amazing or what? This is cute. So I love like how it has the undertone at the bottom. It's like black on top. I'm so glad that I did it this way because I was initially only supposed to do like the little two strips, but I had made too much bleach in the process. So I'm like, I'm not gonna throw all this away. I'm gonna go ahead and use the bleach, and I cut it in some layers. So I'm thinking it's gonna look real bomb with some loose curls or like some body curls. So yeah.